Big game versus the Broncos. I'm excited. First jerseys, we're definitely wearing the alternate.
Nick's from the gun.
Oh, Nick Emanwari already. Pick six, baby.
Going for it on fourth. Nick's.
Oh, good play.
Now Nick's.
Oh, what a dot.
And yet still QB makes something out of nothing.
Let's go, K9. Let's go, K9. Come on, baby.
41-yarder.
Games, I don't really know.
The red zone now. On the move. Hit it
Oh,
right.
Jalen Milrow with a dot.
He's got a ways to go.
Oh, he doesn't. He doesn't have the accuracy.
Not connect.
He might have had the leg, but not the accuracy. Hey, good first half for the Seahawks. You love to see it.
Pass play coming here.
Oh, gosh, that was so bad. I thought he was on a post. That's me. I thought he was on a post. He, like, stopped running.
Here's Nick's.
Oh! Warren, that's your pick six, baby.
On it here, Nick's. He's gonna push one deep down. He's got it.
Offensively, to get a little more aggressive, try to stick them with a
Break up. Come on, y'all.
Touchdown.
the perfect
He
time.
can. Good dot. Oh, what a play. What the heck? All right, let's take three. I'm could do it.
And this kick. Play action with Nick's. Launches one deep downfield.
Dang.
At the 20-yard line. And he gets action on first.
Let's go, Cup. No way we dropped that.
Looking to throw.
How are we not getting outside?
Drops one from an even 40 yards
All right,
out.
gotta lock in.
Line down. Looking to throw.
Let's go, Boye. 4th and 8, huge down.
Here he goes. Gotta have this on fourth down.
Oh my gosh, where's my flat?
Cut beyond the mark.
Ah, my gosh, I have a.
Pick up that first
Dang,
down.
it's still at 5. I thought it was at 25.
Throwing now.
Let's go, D. Come on, 4th down.
They almost brought him down behind the line for a sack.
Break up. No, Nick. No. Come on, game. What are we doing? Why can't we break that up? Ain't no way we lose to something like this.
Trying to push it deep downfield.
No.
And folks, it's intercepted. Drake
GG's, bro.
and the Broncos.
That was probably my fault. Dang, bro. I can't believe we lost that. There were so many things that just didn't go our way that game. I will see you guys next week.